Hello everyone, my name is Tengku Alfattar Hakim Abdullah with student ID number 12 44925. I'm a student at Instrumentation and Automation Engineer. Today I'm gonna make a simple PCB using microcontroller, one LED WS2812, one resistor, and two connector pin. After that, I'm gonna make a custom footprint. Let's start with LED WS2812B. And then after that, I'm gonna make a layout and then I'm gonna route it in PCB editor. So first of all, I'm gonna open the KiCad. As you can see, I already make my file. So I'm gonna go to schematic editor. Okay. And then click A to make to search a component that you want to use. So I'm gonna search Atini 85 as a microcontroller. Okay, then I'm gonna search the WS2812B in here. And then I'm gonna search the two connector pin. Put it in here. Then I'm gonna move it a little bit in here. Okay. Then we're gonna search the resistor. So we need to rotate it. Then I'm gonna make a copy of this. Then okay. Now I'm gonna make a label. Ground. Okay. Then VCC. Okay. And then for this, I'm gonna add a data. Okay, and so okay, and in here we're gonna add the label SPK. And then for the last one, I'm gonna make a label reset in here. Okay. Then we're gonna add in here also. So we're gonna take VCC. Where is it? Okay. Then add SCK. Put in here. Then ground in here. Okay. Now we're gonna connect it. Okay. Okay. In here also, and then here. Okay, now we're gonna move the resistor. We rotate it, put it in here. And then we're gonna connect it. Okay, then the resistor too, we're gonna rotate it and then put it in here. Okay, and then we're gonna connect it. And then we're gonna add the SW, SP, ST. Okay, this one. I'm gonna put it in here. Then we need capacitor also. Then put it in here. Rotate it. Okay. We're gonna connect it. Then, okay. I guess. Okay. This one is better. Then we're gonna move the pin connector. We're gonna add the power, the 5 volt. Not this one. Okay, we're gonna add it in here. Then we're gonna delete this one. And then I'm gonna make a new label for the 2 pin in here. I'm gonna make VCC. Then ground for the pin 2. Okay, and then in here. As you can see, it's already done for the schematic. Okay. After that, we go to footprint custom, and then we're gonna make a custom footprint that start with LED WS2812B. So I already had my dataset in here, and then we're gonna make it as a reference. We go to main menu, go to footprint editor. Okay, click the new file and then new library. Okay, I'm gonna name it as custom. S2812B. Enter. Okay. And then where is it? New footprint. Then okay. Go to edge cuts to make a rectangle in here. So I think this is enough. We're gonna move it in the middle. Okay, then I'm gonna do have silk screen. We're gonna make it like this. Okay. Custom WS12B. Okay, and then we're gonna add the pad in here. Okay, then in here, and then here. The last one in here. Okay, we're gonna move it a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna save it. And then we're going back to thematic editor, and then we go to PCB editor. Okay. Oh man, I forgot to change the footprint. So we're gonna change it first. Okay, I already make a list footprint. So okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna check the footprint. Okay, the footprint that we're gonna use is wait. Okay, in here we're gonna use capacitor SMDC for the capacitor. I think I'm just going to okay. Okay, this one. I'm gonna replace it. So make it in here, rotate it. Okay. And then I'm gonna check the edit symbol fields. For connector, we're gonna use a footprint connector pin header 1 mm. Okay, we're gonna add the connector 2 pin. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, 1 mm. Then this one. Okay, we're gonna chain it. So I'm sorry for I forgot to chain it. Then replace it with this one. Okay, we're gonna check this resistor. We're gonna use this. Okay, then we're gonna replace it. Okay, we check. Okay, for the SWSPSD, we're gonna use LED small LED. Wait a minute. SW. SW SPSD. So we had no footprint in here. Then okay, we add the value 313. Don't forget for this. Okay, now we go to PCB editor. Yes. Okay, we go update from schematic. Then we're gonna make a layout in here. Okay, so we're gonna block this. Okay, then we're gonna edge cuts to make a board. I'm gonna use wait. Okay, so I think it's enough. I'm gonna make it in here, in here, here, then here. I think we're gonna make it smaller. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, I'm gonna make it smaller again. Okay, so we're gonna rotate, reset to here, then here to okay, VCC to okay, make it blue. Okay, and then okay, we're gonna adjust it. Wait, okay, and then ground to here. Then okay, ground to here. Okay, and then this one to reset data. Okay, we're gonna see the 3D. Okay, so it's already done. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.